Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be making a video about a Duraflex body kit for a '01 Mustang GT. There are not many videos on YouTube about how to put these things on, and to be honest, this is my first time ever doing a body kit or anything, so I don't really know what I'm doing either. But this is going to be a learning process, and I'm going to try to put everything step by step on YouTube to show you guys, maybe help you guys out if you're thinking about doing this. So yeah, I'll go out in the garage and I'll show you guys the kit. My mom actually it got delivered when I was at work, and my mom had to check it to make sure there was no broken pieces or cracks or anything. There is a little chip on the side skirt, but it shouldn't be too bad if you get some filler before you paint it and everything, which, by the way, I'm going to be trying to do too. I've never painted anything in regards to a car before, just, walls and stuff, so this is going to be way different. My brother-in-law actually has a paint can, so I'm going to be, or like an actual paint gun for cars, so I'm going to be using that. I'm not going to be like brush painting it or anything. I'm going to try to do this the best I can, but I'm going to take you guys along the journey with me, and it will be a learning experience for all of us. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the kit, and yeah, catch you soon. So here is the kit, the front bumper and the side skirts and the back bumper. It is a Cobra R kit. This is the chip I was talking about out of the side skirt. Shouldn't be too bad, just fill it up with paint filler. Came in this box. I don't really know how it was packaged. Looks like there's a bunch of bubble wrap, but other than that, I have no idea if it was packaged well or anything, so I can't really tell you about that, but I can tell you that it did come out pretty decent. I've seen a lot of reviews where people's were like really cracked. It's just a little dirty, but I gotta sand it and all that anyway. People's were cracked or chipped a lot all over the place, and they already signed for it. So the first thing you do if you get one of these is make sure there is no cracks or anything wrong with it before you sign for it, because otherwise you might have a lot of trouble trying to return it. But let's go ahead and put this thing in front of the car. There's my car, by the way. It's a little dirty right now, but whatever. Alright, so there it is. Obviously it's not on it, so it doesn't look anything like it's going to. But yeah, this is going to be a huge journey. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. But we're just going to do what we can. So I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do to take off that front bumper. And then we will go from there, I guess. See you in a bit. Got my tools. Weed. There are two pins here and here, and there's some underneath that we will get to once I get these out. Alright, I got those ones up top off, and it looks like there is one here underneath the car. Over there I'm actually missing one, but I have extra ones, so I'm gonna, with the new bumper, I'm gonna be putting that in. And it looks to be, I don't know, some sort of hex bolt here, probably on the other side, that I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Alright guys, it looks to be a T15 that fits it. So we're just gonna go ahead and there we go. We got both of those out. Now there are gonna be two screws on each side. I don't know if this is factory. This looks kind of rigged like it was off before. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these two out, and I'll see you guys after. All right, guys. So I realized you're gonna have to remove these push pins as well, like these, just because it is actually screwed into the front bumper. So yeah, I just went ahead and did that, and I think we're actually almost done. Let's just keep her going. So on the inside of the fender slash side of the front bumper, there's this little bracket here. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys, but there's a bolt in there that has a 11 millimeter nut on it. So you're going to want to use a deep well socket to get that off. And I'll go ahead and take that off on both sides. Alright guys, so there's actually 2 nuts on both sides that you're going to go ahead and get off. So I just wanted to say that because I just now realized that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I will get you guys after that. And got those 2 bolts or nuts off, and it looks like this just straight up pops out. Hopefully I don't break anything. There we go. Let's go ahead and get the other side. Come on now. Boom. Now let's see if this baby pops right off. So it does pop off, but the fog lights are attached at the bottom, so I nearly just ripped those out. Where are they at? Right down there. You're not going to be able to see them at all. Here, I'll show you from this angle. They're plugged in, so I have to unplug those before I rip those things out of the socket. So go ahead and do that, and voila. That is what an 01 Mustang GT looks like without a front bumper. Looks kind of disgusting. So we are going to throw this one on and just see what it looks like, see how it lines up with everything. And I'm realizing I'm gonna have to transfer a bunch of stuff over to this bumper. Also with these, it's fiberglass, so you're gonna have to drill all your holes. See right here and right here. See how it has a hole? I'm gonna have to make all new holes on this thing, and it's gonna be a lot of work, but it's a challenge that I'm willing to take, and I think it'll be fun. Hopefully it lines up. Let's get her going. Alright guys, there is a rough estimate of what it's gonna look like. Looks kind of stupid right now, but that's just because none of that is in, and it is not even close to being in place. So this is going to, the more and more I'm looking at this, the more and more I'm realizing it's gonna be a lot of work. Well, let's try to line everything up. Alright guys, so just by like kind of pushing it all together, there's a little bit of a gap there, but I don't know, we'll see when it all comes together. But it's actually looking like it fits pretty dang nice, which I am surprised. I am going to go ahead and attempt to drill these holes and then put the stock pins in, and that will give me a general holding of in place, and then start forming other things, start drilling other holes and whatnot. And yeah, let's get to it. So I basically just went ahead and grabbed my dad's drill bit set and just grabbed the largest one, and it seems to fit in that hole pretty dang well. So we are going to use this one, get us as close to that hole as possible, and obviously these are just push pins, so I'm thinking that will work, and go from there. It's obviously fell down right now, and I drew a line where the hole was, right there. It's not pushed up all the way, and I kind of did a little plus sign, and I'm actually going to use a smaller drill bit to do a pilot hole before I do the bigger one, just to make sure I don't mess anything up and get it off center or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and see you in a bit. Alright, we've drilled the first hole. Now we're going to go a little bit bigger, and then finally the actual size. Alright guys, I went ahead and drilled the final size and put the push pin in. Seems to be doing alright. It's lining up okay. That's still off, so it's not going to be perfect. But now it's time to do the other side, so let's do it. Alright guys, well, the drill just died, so that is fan-freaking-tastic. I didn't think about the drill. But let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and take out the side skirts and stuff and see what they look like on the car, and the back bumper and whatnot. See how it lines up. I'm obviously not going to take that stuff off because I got school and work tomorrow. But I can't do anything without that drill, so we're just going to have to do it tomorrow. I have 2 batteries charging right now, but I have no idea how long they take to charge, so yeah. I'm so nasty because of work and all this. I'm sweating so much. Deuces. Dude, this back bumper is like gotta be made out of twice as much material as the front bumper because this thing is heavy and sturdy. Oh my lord. But that is what the back bumper looks like. Exhaust tips, whatever the heck that hole is there for. And the light thing, probably gonna have to drill that and stuff to make that fit. And some more vents and whatnot. And let's go ahead and get the side skirts. If you guys are wondering, this is not part of it. That was just to hold it in packaging for some dumb reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I also got it lined up pretty dang nicely. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and nothing is drilled in at all. So it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And I'll go ahead and show you that. Okay guys, so this is literally just sitting on. The only thing holding it in was that one pin that you saw me put in. So these are the body lines. It's actually not bad. This is, remember, this is just pressed in. This will go more in. And it doesn't look as bad as I honestly was expecting, which is kind of weird to say. But it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So we're gonna have to continue this with tomorrow. It's getting dark out and I don't have much time after work and stuff because I gotta get up early for school, 4:20 to be exact. Lit. And I'm gonna be working on this thing every day, keeping you guys updated, and taking you along the journey of putting this Duraflex body kit on. So here we are. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.